Get noticed in this 2003 Volvo XC90. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Call today to schedule a test drive.